Hey everybody, this is Kimberly Swartz with Captain John Charts, and I'm here with John Bukowski of Captain John Charts. And we wanted to do a quick little update of something we shared with our subscribers on the July 11th S&P 500 Hammer Report edition. John, why don't you start everybody off?
Hey, thanks, Kim. Okay, so Boston Scientific has been a favorite of ours over the past several years, and we were buyers back here when it broke out to the upside, and we were also buyers here when it broke a downtrend line as well as here. So this has been, each one of these moves, by the way, has been very significant. But as you can see here in the report we shared on the 11th, that we had some resistance across the top and it got stuck. So we're waiting to see if it could break out at the time. We also often look at the relative strength of the investments we're looking at versus other products. And here we're looking at the Boston Scientific chart versus the S&P 500. So simply that's one investment divided by the other. And you can see it broke out. So the relative strength has already broken out versus the S&P 500. But at this time on the 11th, it had not done so on price. Over here is a point and figure chart, and I realize a lot of folks don't know how to read these, but one of the things that we love to look at when we're looking at point and figure charts is what the vertical price objective is. And in this case, it was, I believe, 31.5. So to us, it represented great risk-reward opportunity, and so we've been on this, trying to keep an eye on it and see what was going to happen on a weekly basis.
Okay, so here's some key points to remember about Boston Scientific that we picked out. Of course, at the resistance on the long-term chart, it could have needed a bit of consolidation before it took the next step up. And if you were adding, it would be a good idea to wait for a pullback. It also has backup support, meaning the support analysis with the point and figure chart. It confirms the bullish objective, and the ascending triple top breakout is fantastic on that point and figure, and the price target is excellent. And the relatives were happy, meaning the relative strength of Boston compared to the SPX was still showing great relative strength. All right, now flashing forward to today.
All right, so here is the same weekly chart. And what happened is, although we have not closed on a weekly basis, because when you're looking at a weekly chart, you want to see what happens at the close on Friday. So we're not there till tomorrow, right? It is Thursday.
It's still Thursday.
But it did break out, as you can see over here. It broke out to, well, first of all, it broke out to a new 52-week high, which is nice. And it also broke, although temporarily, it broke that uptrend line that we shared on July 11th. So it also was a nice day with the stock up almost 3%.
All right, thanks everybody. This was our S&P Hammer Report Share Quickie for Thursday. Maybe every Thursday we'll share a little bit of what's inside, just to give you a look. Inside our S&P 500 Hammer subscription, there is a report every week, video every week, education. We'll show you step by step. We've got private coaching and education. We're going to be regularly doing some free workshops for the newbies, looking at point and figure and how to navigate this market. And that's going to be it for now. Everybody, you have an awesome night. Thanks so much. Appreciate all your support. Take care.